chemistry second year FSC classes, and lecture is given by Shanza. Chapter first, periodic table, and today's topic is ionization energy and electron affinity. Ionization energy. What is ionization energy? It is amount of energy required to remove electron from outermost shell of isolated gaseous atom. It means that single atom that should be in gaseous state, and energy is required to remove electron from it. That energy is known as ionization energy. For example, ionization energy of sodium is 496 kilojoule per mole. When sodium in gaseous state loses first electron, then its ionization energy is 496 kilojoule per mole. When magnesium atom in gaseous state remove its one electron, then first ionization energy is 738. When magnesium lost second electron, its ionization energy will be increased and 1440 kilojoule per mole. Factors affecting trend of ionization energy: atomic size, nuclear charge, shielding effect, and nature of orbital. What is trend of ionization energy? Down the group. Down the group, number of shell increases. Shielding effect also increase. Shielding effect is shield of electrons which prevent nucleus not to attract outermost shell. Nuclear charge increases. Also, down the group, shielding effect increases, and when shielding effect increases, then attraction between nucleus and outermost shell should decrease. When nuclear charge increases, then attraction between nucleus and outermost shell should increase. But what is dominant factor here? Shielding effect, because number of shell are increasing. Therefore, shielding effect is prominent factor. Size increase down the group. When size increases down the group, less energy is required to remove electron from outermost shell, and ionization energy decreases. You can see in this graph. This is for first group: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and you can see that lithium has high ionization energy because its size is smaller. With increase in size, you can see with increase in size, ionization energy is decreasing. Now trend of ionization energy along period. Along period, number of shell remains same. Actually, along period, one shell is started to be filling electron one by one, and at the end of period, shell is completed. So number of shell remains same, shielding effect remains same, and nuclear charge increases one by one, and so attraction increase between nucleus and outermost shell, size becomes smaller, and when attraction is greater between nucleus and outermost shell, then removal of electron become difficult. Therefore, ionization energy increases along period and decreases down the group. But here are some exceptions along period, because we are not discussing about fourth factor, that is nature of orbital. First you focus on second period: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. You can has high ionization energy, boron has less ionization energy. In beryllium, it belongs to second group having 2 electron in s orbital. S is completely filled, so it is difficult to remove electron from it. But when you see boron belonging to third group, then it's 2 electron in s, and s is completely filled, and 1 electron is in p orbital. 1 electron is in p orbital. So it is easy to remove electron from p orbital, and p orbital is also unstable because it is having incomplete orbital, incomplete subshell. Another exception is between nitrogen and oxygen, that is between 5th group and 6th group. Oxygen should have high ionization energy than nitrogen, but it is less. Why? Because same case in nitrogen, 5th group having 5 electron, 2 in s and 3 in p orbital, and p orbital should have 6 electron, and it is stable, p orbital is stable, p subshell is stable when it has electron half filled and completely filled. It means if p having 3 or 6 electron, it is stable, and in 5th group it has stable p orbital that has 3 electron half filled orbital, half filled subshell. But in case of oxygen, in belonging to group 6 having 2 electron in s and 4 electron in p, and it is easy to remove electron comparatively because p orbital is not stable, neither half filled nor stable, neither half filled nor completely filled. P having 4 electron, and therefore it is easy to remove electron from oxygen as compared to nitrogen. Electron affinity. Electron affinity mean love, attraction. It means it's addition of electron, and electron should be in attraction of nucleus. And what is definition? Energy released or absorbed when one electron is added to gaseous atom to form negative ion. Electron affinity of fluorine is is exothermic and 337. Oxygen, when remove one electron, then its electron affinity is exothermic minus 141. But fluorine, when it from gaseous fluorine atom, when first electron is added, then electron affinity is exothermic. That means uni-negative ion formation is always exothermic. When oxygen remove first electron, then its electron affinity is minus 141, that is exothermic. But when it is very smart to add second electron in negatively charged oxygen ion, then there is repulsion between incoming electron and negative charge. To overcome that repulsion, energy is required, so second electron affinity is endothermic. Why electron affinity may be exothermic? Energy is released when electron is added to gaseous atom to form uni-negative ion, and it is exothermic, so expressed in negative figure. But when second electron is added to uni-negative, incoming electron is repelled. Thanks, work hard, take care, subscribe my channel.